Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I want to go away from Jordan Brand for a little bit, away from Nike for a little bit, and I want to concentrate on this pickup right here. So I definitely took advantage of the Adidas sale. Adidas is having a sale where they're pretty much going 50% off, maybe even more on their UltraBOOST 2019s. Now, for a lot of people that always question, or what do you wear if you have a dead stock collection? I've done videos about this before, and I'll pop a card somewhere up here, but I definitely have a separate little collection that I wear in rotation, and it's very, very small. But I've definitely been running through, a bunch of UltraBOOST. So I have, the Parleys, and I also have the multicolor 3.0s. But I definitely wanted to try the new version, the 2019. I know it's been out for, some time, but I definitely want to try them. I go walking and running pretty much every morning. So I've been really beaten into these guys right here. And you can pretty much tell that, yes, I do wear UltraBOOST. So UltraBOOST is definitely something that I rock fairly often. If not that, I wear my black cement 3s, 4s, also wear my Jordan 1s. So pretty much anything of that nature, like I just want to slip on and just like get out. So definitely needed an upgrade for this. So I might retire those soon. The 3.0s I'm probably going to use as my regular running, walking shoes next. But let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys what's good with these. So it was really my first time ordering from the Adidas website, and the shipping box is pretty cool. So pretty much just rip all these guys open. So like I said, Adidas is running a sale right now. I can put something in the description, but it can probably go out at any time, because they've had several promo codes that they've been using, and they've actually gone down. So I actually got this for under $100. This is what the box looked like. So if you're like me and you're more into like Nike and Jordan, and you don't typically get a lot of Adidas or Reebok or other brands, I think this one's pretty interesting. So UltraBOOST, I've dabbled in 10.5, 10. My first pair was the non-cage, just the regular UltraBOOST, with the original prime knit and all that. And I went 10.5 on those. Still fine, length was fine. With that prime knit just pretty much hugs your foot. But I think 10, I like it a little bit snug, just so that it holds my foot, it contains my foot a little bit more, because that material is going to stretch. So with this colorway, I went with one of the, I guess, original style colorways of this model here. I do like the hit of that teal. So it's like very, I don't want to say subtle, but it's just like bam, like it's a nice clean white upper, black upper, and just that hit of color on the back. They have several other colors there, but this one was the one that gravitated toward me. It reminds me of like an Air Max 95 with the freshwaters that I also wear as well. And it's just one of the new ones that I'm gonna like definitely beat around. So I have no trouble wearing UltraBOOST. I started wearing UltraBOOST, man, I'll pop a card even up here, maybe a couple years ago, where I was like at the mall and I was like, what is this stuff called, like, or why is it so popular? And I know I got into it late, because typically I am a Nike Jordan collector and such like that, but I really wanted to like dabble into this and just like with UltraBOOST. So there it is. You know, right off the bat, I do see that the boost is bigger than like the 3.0s, the 2.0s, 1.0s. So you get a lot more volume there. I expect this to be a lot more cushiony. I think, did I mention that I wore this already before I got this? Actually saw a pair, not this colorway, in store, and I wanted to make sure that I got my correct size because I had already ordered it in a size 10, and you know, lo and behold, there was a UltraBOOST 19 on their sales rack, and they were going for like 109 or something like that, and I wanted to try them on. So, you know, size 10 definitely worked. So I don't know, what do you guys think about the UltraBOOST? Do you guys like this version? I do see that the cage is different. It's not the rubber style as it is with the 3.0, where it's like the hard rubber. These ones are a lot different. So it looks like it's you know, got a bunch of fuse on there. I don't think it's even got that breathability, but it does have some type of backing on the back, and on the front it has the mesh. So I can't wait to try these on and, you know, just be casual in them, man, because you get older and you want that casual fit. So definitely what I love about UltraBOOST is that you can just slide them in and get on with your day. Jordan 1s, you gotta throw them in, lace them up. It usually doesn't take, you know, too long, but if you're on the go and you just want to just like get out of the house, slip these on, it's done. So I'm not tired at all with sock-like shoes. I know a lot of people are, and people think that Boost is dead, but you know, for somebody that is a regular Jordan Nike collector like myself, I definitely am branching out, you know what I mean? Like, so again, I'm getting older, I like that comfort. I think Boost is it. So I think the sale right now, you can definitely get them for about $75 shipped. I think when I got this, it was like about $95 shipped. So I don't know, I'm one of those people where I want to save money and save like the maximum amount of money, but you know, since they're here, I'm just gonna keep them. I was going to just order another one, and since they're, you know, still available, order another one and just return this one. But I'm probably gonna get another colorway, only because like I do like that the model is cheap and is comfortable, and just something I can just like get up and go do my thing, run errands, pick up the kids. Yeah, you know what, the UltraBOOST 19 is definitely something that I'm going to include in my regular rotation. But anyways, let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you would cop. Do you question other people that are regular Nike and Jordan head guys that, you know, like me, I guess, that wear shoes like this? I don't know. I don't think it should be any type of competition, really. It's just, you know, you buy what you like. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.